Welcome to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I'll show you how to import media files into your Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and import tab right here, or better still, you can come to the top right here, go ahead and click on File, then from File, then next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Import right here, and then go ahead and navigate to import. Go ahead and navigate to media, or better still, press Ctrl+I, and it's going to open up a dialog box whereby you can select your media file. So this window here is going to pop up right here. Then from here, you can easily select your media file, and the media file type you can import into your Camtasia has been stated right here. You can import video file, whether MWV, MP4, or JPEG file, or PNG file, or audio in MP3 or AVI or what have you. So in this tutorial, I'm going to simply import some video file right here. So I'm going to import this particular, I'm going to select this particular video file right here. So you can import as many as possible video file into the Camtasia video editing software. So for that, press Ctrl key down on your keyboard and select as many as possible file in your media gallery. So you can also import JPEG, like I said. So I'm going to go ahead and select a JPEG right here. So by doing that, press Ctrl key down and select your JPEG, and then go ahead and click on Open right here. Then you have all the file right here in your media bin in Camtasia video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.